Good morning, my friends. I feel something on my head. It's not my hair. There's something on my head. Let's see if you guys can see it, because it feels like it might be right here. Is there something on my head? Is there a bird on my head? There's a bird on his head. You want to read the story? All right. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Oh no, there's a bird on my head. There is a bird on your head. Tweet, 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 tweet. There's the bird. He's going down. He's going to land right on Gerald's head. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. Piggy says, yes, there is something on Gerald's head. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Bird on my head? He runs. Oh, I think he got scared. Is there a bird on my head now? He says, no. Oh, the bird flew away. Uh-oh. And then came back with a friend. Now there are two birds on your head. Oh, I think he's gonna like that, huh? What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. Oh, look at that. The birds are in love. The birds on my head are in love. Oh, they're lovebirds. Oh no. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on his head? Uh-oh, I'm afraid to ask. Oh, do I have an egg on my head? Does he have an egg on his head? Let's see. He's got eggs on his head, not just one. One, Piggy's gonna count them. Two, three! You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. He does not want them on his head. Then I have good news, says Piggy. Uh-oh, what's Piggy's good news gonna be? Gerald says, are the eggs gone? The eggs are hatching. They're not gone, they're hatching. Hatching! Oh no, he's upset. Eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, 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 cheep. Oh, they're baby birds now. They're hatched. Oh, look, Piggy's so excited. There's baby birds. Now I have three baby chicks on my head. Two grown-up birds and a nest. We've got three baby birds, two grown-up birds, and one nest on his head. And I do not want three baby birds, two big birds, and one nest on my head. Oh, well, Piggy says, and where do you want them? No. Oh no, there goes the birds in the air, and poor Piggy got knocked over. Oh no. Well, why don't you ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Just ask them to leave? Yeah, ask them. Just ask them to leave. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Look, he's asking very kindly, too. And guess what they said? No problem. Oh, they listened to his words. It worked! Yay! Look, they picked up the nest and they're flying away. It worked. Using his words worked. Now there are no birds on my head, he says. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much. Piggy helped him. You're welcome. Oh no, look where the birds went. They landed on Piggy. Now Piggy looks unhappy, huh? I don't think he wants birds on his head either, so maybe he should ask them to go Oh, say please go somewhere else. But you know what? I like my bird, so I'm not gonna ask him to leave. But I'm gonna say thank you for reading with me and check out the next story if you guys want. Bye. See you later.